So guys, to make a skull cap wig, this is a skull cap wig. So I'm going to be showing you how to prep your Weavon. This is the Weavon, the javelin. You can use any short coily hair like this that is going to give you a very nice outcome. You get? So it's left for you. There's so many brands of this particular type of Weavon. There are so many brands. It's left for you to pick the one you want. Okay, so from this packet we're going to start from this particular one. So when you get it, we are just I'm going to open so I'm just going to open. So you can see what we have now. So I'm just going to start from the extreme and start opening it. So I just want to open it a little so I can balance my hand. So I'm just going to hold the scissors like the razor like this, and then I'll start cutting it small in the middle. So in here I have the one I already cut. Okay, this is the first step. If you want to make a skull cap wig, this is the first thing you have to do first. Okay, you have to divide it. You have to divide it. So you need this, you need this, you need your gum, and you need this one. You need all of them. So in this channel I made a video on a skull cap wig that I made a video. This skull cap wig, I posted the video on this page, so check my channel so that you are going to watch the video. Okay, and also stay tuned for this one. I'm also going to make another skull cap wig, so stay tuned. If you want to learn more about hairstyling, braiding, hair growth, everything about hair, make sure to stay tuned to this page. Okay, this is the best page for you. Okay, so what else? Thank you for watching up to this extent. I hope this video is helpful. This video is going to be helpful to only beginners, okay, not professionals that already know about this. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Okay, bye. So this is the remaining. You are just going to do the same thing to this one until you are done.